First up, we are working on our lids. I'm taking a small circle of cardboard and measuring out some solid black fabric. Just use a bit of hot glue around the edges to tightly wrap the fabric over the cardboard. Once that's secure, we are going to cover another piece of cardboard with a matching striped circle for a clean, professional finish on the inside. Now for the tin can. We are measuring out our chic, black and white striped fabric to fit perfectly. Apply a line of hot glue to secure the starting edge, wrap it tightly around the tin, and seal down the seam. To make it look truly premium, we need to cover up that metallic look inside. I'm tucking in a strip of solid black fabric to line the interior walls, and dropping a matching striped circle right into the bottom. Look how clean that looks already. Top it off with the lid, and the first piece is ready. Don't limit yourself to just tin cans. I'm also upcycling an old plastic body cream jar. I carefully sliced off the top rim with a utility knife, cleaned it up with scissors, and peeled away the outer label. And here is the final result. A stunning, high-contrast, luxury-style canister set that cost next to nothing to make. If you enjoyed this transformation, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more decor ideas. See you in the next video.